Nege kole igiogo ichani gusikio kogosereria ase chingaki ebikaro byagenderete ime bunge ya kaunti ya Kisii aba MCA batatu yoruma MCA wodi ya Masimba muske Paul Mairura omo MCA wodi ya Basi Boitangare omo muske Thomas Obare aboigo muske wodi ya Abombabat Borabu omuske Nicodemus Omamba basoka na konyo chigari chiabo chitaliria magoro ase chikorekana na nigo chasirwa nebyoge nabo igo chenyara kaba chigosarigwa magoronsi anekerigari gendo banya kaba guichanira nabo igo komochia amangana agesiasa gusokebeka kaba gesiasa muna gutuma muriketo Daniel Ontiri
omo MCA we wodi ya Masimba muske Paul Mairura muske Nicodemus Omamba we wodi ya Borabu na Thomas Obare nyebaro Basi Boitangare
The eye have it.
Negati yabalia barenga sigikaro gibunge yo Jumaine mambia nichingaki basoka nikubomera chigari cyabo chisaliria magoronsi ane keroyomo asa utuire na gukunyurigwa nebinte byoge.
We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session, and my peer told me that we have people who have come, around 20 people who are in massings, and they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives.
Korengana na barabo higa nesegi ya gisiasa neki bakagerete bakuboniwa ngo batekana no mukyobo bugwasyolia obugundo ase assembly ya Kisii ne county ya Kisii engima bateba tibali guchugwancha magemabo agendere ko gaserigwa.
What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption.
Okwana chinga kecho niko bakwanira halia babere bagwetera ase assembly ya Kisii igatiabo kugeligwa kwibirengererio birengeta bamenyi bechi ward chiabo bamenta bona tibagukirigwa no nyengake.
The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Borabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development which is not there. Anytime I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first. And I know that. I know the God I believe. The God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.
Korengana no mokomanda bobanyimbo ase Kisii Central Musa Imamai asensemwe nigate baiga.
We'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that has occurred here.
Aba MCA baiga niko bali gati yabalia batali wancherena na kiregento asobora ibwabo ni me county ya Kisii nege kolekiga nigiyatiga bange na mabulyo abande bakwebolie na kiyanyarekana ensemo ebekiro bulindi butindi ne chinga kecho abalindi mbali ngarro na bali na megele isene ayagochiana na nimiremo yabo nkurubateregeta seni kyagatembe kurega si county ya Kisii litrene nguru ko Daniel Ontiri.